Hi everyone. We're going to be going through Design 812, the PDF I sent you along with this video link. And what it is a very simple and very easy to read floor plan of a house. There's three sets of views that are attached to this. We have the isometric, which is this guy here. We have orthographic views, which are the left, front, right, and the back. And then we have a plan view or bird's eye view, which is this main view right here. And you're going to find all the numbers and information on that there. So, this modest bungalow with its quiet, unadorned exterior will fit neatly into almost any neighborhood. Notwithstanding its simplicity of design, this house makes excellent use of space. There are 4 bedrooms, a 20-foot living room, and a kitchen of ample size to include dining space. The basement can be reached from the side entrance without going through any intervening room. There is space in the basement for storage, laundry, and furnace room. The front door, and this is a recommendation from the architect, should face east or north. So at the top of page 152, what we're going to see is an isometric or a 3D view of how the architect thinks that this house is going to look like. In this case, it looks like it's from the street. So you can see that there is a front door here, a large window leading into the kitchen. These 2 smaller windows here are for the bedrooms. The side view, the side door that goes down into the basement, small window here. We're looking at I believe it's the left side is listed here. Yep. So this is the left side of the house. This is the front of the house, and we can't see the back or the right side. Now, you would consider this an artist's rendering because there's things like trees and shrubs and little brick pathways. It's how a plan would start off. It was how a builder would highlight the focal points of his plan. Gives you a general idea of what it looks like. Isometric view again. At the bottom of page 152 and the bottom of page 153 are what's called orthographic views. And these orthographic views are of the back of the house, the left side of the house, the front side of the house, and the right side of the house. Now, since this is a simple 4-sided house, there only needs to be 4 views. If you have a more complicated house, then you'd obviously have to have more views. Now, these orthographic views are used to help us visualize the outside of the house as seen from the street or the yard. And it just helps kind of put everything in perspective and tie together what we're going to learn from the plan at the top of page 153, which is called the plan or bird's eye or blueprint view of this house. Now we can see this is the footprint of the whole house. Our first numbers that we're going to look at is the 44 feet length of the house and the 28 foot 4 inches width of the house. Those numbers are the outside dimensions, resulting in a square footage of 1,245 square feet total. A nice size. Actually, it's about 200 square feet more than my house, so I wish I had that much space. The top left bedroom is where we're going to start. You'll notice that it is 10 foot 3 inches by 7 foot 10 inches. It's a little bit smaller than the other 3 bedrooms because of the bathroom that's been put here. So the space had to come from somewhere. You see there's a little closet here, and here's the bed, and this right here at the top of the page is a window. And this window here is this window right here on the back. See, all the plans are starting to work together. The top right bedroom right here is 9 foot 9 inches this way, east to west, by 11 foot 2 inches north south. And it has a small closet. This would be another child's bedroom probably. Our bottom right bedroom is 9 foot 9 inches by 13 foot 5 inches, and it has a larger closet. Not a huge closet, but this is probably what the builder had or the architect had designed as the master suite. Not as big as master suites in houses today, but still the biggest bedroom in the house. The bottom left bedroom is 10 foot 2 inches by 10 foot 0 inches. Again, we had to sacrifice some space for this hallway that goes here. And the vestibule, where you come in from the front door, has a wall of with with closets on the side here. Look the direction the closets go. This one opens to the bedroom. The middle one opens to the vestibule, and this one at the top opens into the hallway, and that's a linen closet. On the left side of the vestibule, you'll see a sliding door, so you can close off the kitchen from the main entrance. The living room at the top left of the drawing is 20 feet from end to end by 13 foot 7 inches. So it is the largest space in the house. And there's a door out to the back, and there's no closets here. So the architect probably thought that the homeowner would want to customize this space as much as they can, as opposed like with flow and couches and dining room tables. So they just left it blank, let the homeowner design what they want. The kitchen, 16 foot 8 by 10 foot 0. We see the double sink here underneath the window, the oven range in the corner, the refrigerator in the top right, and to the right of the refrigerator, closed in by walls, this is the chimney. There's going to be the furnace exhaust coming from the basement up through to the top of the house. The stairs on the left side, is it? Yes. The stairs on the left side of the house, they go straight down. The DN is down, and the arrow points in the direction the stairs are going down. Overall, this is a nice house, makes good use of space. Not too big, but when it's not too big, that means that you don't have as much space to clutter everything up with. I would be very happy with this house. I probably, if it was me, I would remove this sliding door here, and I might, if I could design it, I would push the kitchen up that way and make the kitchen a little bit bigger, make the dining room a little bit smaller, and maybe blow out these walls here so I have a bigger kind of open space. But that's a design style that's come through time. Back in the 60s when this was designed, it was nice to have good modular spaces.